Again there guys, this is our fuse tap set we'll include here. If we have anything that needs to be wired into your car, tapping off the fuses is a pretty handy thing to do, especially if it's a low amp draw product. So quite often these will be dash cameras, rear view mirror screens, or even a dash screen. Majority of them are going to draw under 1 amp, so drawing off and it's like a different circuit isn't a problem, and they have their own fuse installed on them anyway, so that will be all good. In the kit we basically have, this is basically what we have in the kit here. So these are your different fuse types. There's 8 in total, because there's 2 for each type, because a lot of the things you do are going to need like a B+ power source and like an ACC power source. So the B+ is like constant 12 volt on it, and the ACC is power when the car is running. Now we also have a pretty handy test pen that will also link in the description below, which allows you to very easy test the fuses to see which ones you want to jump off. So you've got your different types here. They have different names like micro, mini, but at the end of the day you just want to match them up to the one you have, and we include 1, 2, 3, 4 different types in this kit, so this will cover every type of fuse. Your most common one is probably going to look like this here, so quite small with plastic in between the 2 tongs, so not much metal actually showing. So what happens is you're going to use this set of pliers here. This is a good actual metal set, long handles and good jaws on it, which will allow you to pull them out, the fuses out very easily, because the standard plastic ones and fuse boxes are crap. So that's good. So you're going to pull a fuse out and you're going to slide one of our ones in. In here you are going to put the original fuse in the bottom one, so that will keep that circuit actually running, and then you can put one of our fuses, which are 5 amp fuses, in the top one, and that'll fuse our line. So that goes in, one of our fuses goes in the top one there, and the original fuse goes in the bottom. That will give you your fuse tap coming out, and you can get your B+ and your ACC power. Then at the end, these are pre-stripped, so you just have to pull off that actual little bit of wire there, and you can see you have your pre-stripped end. And then we include some SPL lever connectors, so red for the ACC and yellow for constant power. These are pretty straightforward. Lift up the lever, put the wire in, close the lever, and you can even see in there, because it's see-through, you can actually see if it's connected or not. Pretty handy. Then at the other end, whatever you have, you just need to strip the end a bit, lift the lever, like so, slide it in, close it down, and it's hooked up nice and strong, not going anywhere. That is basically how the fuse tap kit works. Super handy for anyone who needs a fuse tap set to give them ACC and a B+ power, 5 amp fuses, tools to pull out the old fuses, and all your different types of fuse types. Cheers guys.